Hi, hello, welcome back to my channel. Two things. As you all know, we have started LeetCode 50 series where we're going to solve 50 SQL problems that will help you to crack any SQL interviews or any SQL coding tests. So we have already got 46 videos in this series. Now we are in the 47th video, that is very medium kind of video, not an easy but medium hard level. So let's see this problem. 176 is the problem number. Second highest salary is the problem name. So let's see the schema first and then understand the problem statement and then try to solve this by writing the SQL query. So the employee table is the ID and the salary of an employee, which is the primary key ID, and information about the employee data, salaries of the employees are there. So now what they're asking is they're asking us to write a solution to find the second highest salary, second highest distinct salary from the employees table. If there is no second highest salary, return null. There is no such kind of second highest salary, then they are asking us to return none. Return none in pandas. If it is in pandas, we have to return none. Okay, otherwise we have to return null. Okay, subquery is used here to return null if there is no second highest salary. Okay, that thing we have to do. So employees table, just see the this thing, you will understand. Employee table is there, 1 to 3 are the employees. The second highest salary is 200. Okay, that is second employee. We have to get salary, second highest salary as 200. So this simple. Second table, they have here only one salary is there is no second salary kind of thing, so that time we have to return null. So I hope you have understood this problem statement and everything, right? Let me start writing query for this. You have to use distinct keyboard to get the distinct salaries. Okay, let me just start with this simple select. What we have to select? We have to select something as distinct. Oh, sorry, what second highest salary. That's something we have another subquery for it, that is distinct salaries. Distinct salary. Distinct salary from which table? From employee table. We know, right? By simple, we can order by, we can just get the second highest salary, right? Order by salary with the descending order. We can have just limit like 1 and offset 1 as second highest salary we'll getting. Just running this. If there is no such kind of thing, second highest salary, it will automatically give null. Okay. First case solved 200 and second case also solved, that is null has came here. So this is how we can done. Offset is nothing but it will offset to 1. If there is no such kind of thing, it will give null. Okay. So hope you have understood this problem. Let me know in the comment section if you have any doubts regarding this. Let me just submit this statement, this query. So yeah, that's all for this video. Hope you have enjoyed watching our videos. Hope you take care. Bye bye.